I'm here to show you how to assemble the interchangeable tag ornament. I have these available in both the Christmas tree and the family tree option, and they are personalizable, which we will show you in a few minutes. So this jig is going to be available on my Facebook group for free. And what you need is you need a front and a back out of 1/8 inch, and then the center can be 1/16 or 1/8. I like, for this particular one, 1/16 better, but you know, whichever size you want. And then it comes with the option of just this by itself that's scored, that you can paint or leave blank. This is an example of one I painted. And then this is one unpainted, where I just painted the tree that I'm going to layer on top of that. So either way, either option is available in the file and will be available for sale. So we start with these pieces that are going to fit into the jig. So you start with your back, and the jig will have a deep side and a shallow side. You want to start on the shallow side, take your back piece, turn it over to where the back is facing down. Then you turn this over and get it ready. And then you have your centerpiece. Again, this is 1/16 with double-sided adhesive on both sides. The front and back do not have adhesive. You just determine which way this needs to go. That's correct. And then you remove your adhesive backing from one side. I'm just making sure it's even on the edge, and then you pop it out, and then you turn, oops, sorry, you keep this side, and then you're going to take and pull this right around front. I like to remove the backing first. So once the backing is removed, you just pop this into the jig, and then you take your front, and then you just put the front on, easy peasy, and then pop it out. And then you have your interchangeable ornament. If you want to add a tree on top, you can. I am going to, because I really like that look. Just have to. And then you're going to take and add the tree. Just making sure it's nice and straight. Oops, be careful though. Wanting something fast, do it without doing this, but I just love this look. So I'm just a perfectionist when it comes to making sure things are straight. It just drives me crazy when they're not. So just like this, you can secure that down, and then you can take and add your personalization. So you can do Barrow family and have Christmas up here, or you can choose to have Barrow family here and just leave Christmas, you know, out of it. Totally up to you. And then you want to add, and all of these personalization options are available in the file and for sale. So we've got dog and cat, and we also have paws. You know, I don't have an example of the ornament with paws, but this is an example of a paw, and we also have an angel wing. So once you have your personalization available, then you can you can add interchangeable flex, or you can add a backer Here's going to be an example of one with a backer. So this is just a double layer ornament. So without the interchangeable flex, you can offer either option. So these are just some examples of the flex added. So these are just some of the ones that I have cut. Or you could do solid colors. I think I might have a more solid red. But those are just some examples. Let's see. Oh, these are the Christmas lights. This is the red rock. So those are some options.